Welcome to DVCom Technology. In this lab, I am going to show it to you how to enable inter-VLAN routing. Did you notice one thing, guys? In my previous lab, if you see here, I am not able to communicate from VLAN number 15 to VLAN number 20 and VLAN number 25, as well as 20 to 15 and 20 to 25 and 25 to 20 and 25 to 15. I want to do inter-VLAN communication, which means each and every VLAN they need to talk each other. Then how you are going to achieve that? Let's go and open your DrayTek router. Access your router through browser. By default you are able to access and keep continuous ping if you want. So ping -t 192.168.15.1, right? Keep remember one thing, guys. LAN 1 subnet we configured by default, it's there 192.168.1.0, right? For LAN 2 subnet we configured 192.168.15.0. for LAN 3 subnet we configured 192.168.20.0. for LAN 4 subnet we configured 192.168.25.0/24, and port number 1 we connected to LAN 1, right? Port number 2 we connected to LAN 2, port number 3, port number 4. Now what I want to do, from LAN number 1 I want to talk to LAN 2, LAN 3 and LAN 4, right? From LAN number 2 same for LAN 3, same for LAN 4. That's what we are trying to do here. So for that, what you have to do, guys, go here, type admin, password, there you go, then click on the LAN zone, then after that go to VLANs, just go down here, and I'm sorry, not here, click on general setup, just go down, and if you see here there is inter-LAN routing. Then if you see here, right now the tick mark it's saying that, try to understand this one, guys. LAN 1 can talk to LAN 1, LAN 2 can talk to LAN 2. So what I'm going to do now, LAN 2 I want to talk to LAN 1, LAN 3 I want to talk to LAN 1 and LAN 2 also, LAN 4 I want to talk to LAN 1, LAN 2 and LAN 3. That's what I'm going to do here. Just put a tick mark, guys, then automatically it will start enable. That's it, there is nothing else to do. So if you want to communicate, now if you see here, LAN 1 can talk to LAN 1, LAN 1 talk to LAN 2, LAN 2 talk to LAN 3 and LAN 1 talk to LAN 4, right? If you take LAN 2, LAN 2 can talk to LAN 1, see that, and LAN 2 can talk to LAN 2, LAN 2 can talk to LAN 3, see that, LAN 4 can talk to LAN 4. That's what, same thing for LAN 3 as well. That's what I am trying to do. Okay, guys, so simply what you can do now, put a tick mark, LAN 2, LAN 3 and LAN 4. That's it, right, guys? Then keep open this guy and you can able to see, then say okay, perfect. Now I can able to see the routing. Come, see that, right? Now if you want, check your IP address, you are there in 25, you can able to talk 192.168.20.1. there you go. This is called inter-VLAN communication, guys. This is what you are going to do. Hope you are enjoying my videos. Thank you for watching this video, guys. For more information, if you want more details or if you want more lab video trainings, just send us an email, info@datavoice.com. Thank you for watching this video.